Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I have come with another new video. In this video I'm going to discuss about homeopathic treatment of leprosy and elephantiasis. In today's video I'll talk about 6 homeopathic medicine of a couple of symptoms. Medicine number 1, Anacardium ori or Anacardium oxy. You may have known that Anacardium ori is the best medicine of leprosy. It is used in symptoms like when patients leprosy strike in body pores is very cold and stiff and there is no sensitiveness in that pores skin and it feels like numb. The patient feels like there is fog and lack of memory power, and he also feels like blazing and curves, and he has no words in his mind. In such like symptom we can undoubtedly use Anacardium oxy. Symptom number 2, Comocladia. Comocladia. Spanish experts treat leprosy patients with Comocladia. Blister out breast, gash or deep cut, and deep wound. The edges remain tight, wounds look like flesh. The diagnostic signs of the Comocladia are the patient's face and eye irritation, the mouth is swollen and itching in the place, headache, dizziness and severe itching in the head, will have severe pain in the movement. Medicine number 3, pepperminthy. Patients with an ankle disorder first have a screen on a nipple on the skin. Later, when the screen goes up, there are white spots on the side. It is best to apply it in this state. This medicine is known as Somers of ancient times. Medicine number 4, Myristica acidi. It is the best medicine of leprosy. Its power in septic inhibitor is enormous. Bone inflammation by finger, patient tongue is white are its symptoms. Medicine number 5, Skokantrak. It's a very effective medicine of leprosy. Patiently, it is possible to cure a severe illness on a regular basis for 2 or 3 months uses. Medicine number 6, Wangnan. It is another good medicine for leprosy and wounds. It was all that I wanted to speak about, guys. I think today's video will get interesting. If you think this video is useful for you, then please hit the like button and share my video with your friends as if they can see my video, and never forget to subscribe my channel. Till this, I hope may Allah let us to speak with you in another next video. Allah Hafiz.